the Caesars Hotel. Let's go there and check it out. How is the decoration inside? It's really beautiful. You will see. Let's check it out, the popular Caesar Palace Hotel. Let's see how it's inside. Enter into the hotel just right to the casino. We like to play. I like to play sometimes. Last time that I played in the casino, the Wind Creek in Pennsylvania, I won like $150. It wasn't that much, but I believe I won something because it helped me. It helped me with some of my bills.
Excuse me, sir.
We are now inside. You have some restaurants. You have some exclusive store for shopping. The famous Caesars. You have another fancy restaurant in this area, here in front of the station, and over there somewhere else is the main office for the booking, reservation, and everything in the hotel. And you have a gelato. You can buy amazing ice cream. Dessert. I love it. My favorite ones. And these are the famous gelato. Almond gelato, tiramisu, dulce de leche, coconut, peanut butter, birthday cake, Dubai chocolate. What is your favorite? Tell me what is your favorite. I will buy for you. Oh, white berries gelato, coffee. Oh, that one should be good. The piña colada. And there is another lemon. I wanna try the piña colada. Let's try. This is another restaurant. This is the front desk over there. Oh, I wanna win this. What should I do to be a millionaire and to win the beat? The beat. I hope you like my videos. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up, and if you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, that would be really helpful to continue supporting my channel. And see you in the next video, guys. Bye.